Hey guys, this is Manoj here. I am a student of Alok Academy of Digital Marketing or AADME. Actually, I have been in this SEO and digital marketing field since 2017. So it's been almost 3.5 years now. But this year, after working for these 3 years, I still was confused and lacked the confidence to attract new customers for my freelancing business. So I decided to I started looking for a good mentors who can teach me the basics of marketing and sales fundamentals, etc. So there are lots of such institutions, but I decided to choose Alok sir as my mentor because he not only teaches you the digital marketing tools but also the fundamentals of marketing, the core marketing concepts that I was looking for. So I joined that course in April 2021 this year, and the course is now completed in August 21. That was the 73rd batch. So those who are willing to join a new digital marketing program, you can surely join Alok sir's academy. They are very helpful, and the big thing is that he is providing you the lifetime mentorship program, that you can get help from him or his team members when you get stuck in your business or any in life. So thanks